Sine second suspect case ka-DJ Warras. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. A 25 years old Mozambican Armindo Bakula uvele ecourt today eJozi mayelana nesigameko sakhe sokuthi kusolelwa ukuthi nguye lo wathatha impilo ya-DJ Warras. So kulawo ma-multiple charges lakafezane nawo, lekhulu kakhulu ngilena yokuthatha impilo ka-DJ Warras. So everything here are still allegations, but ubitwa nge-suspect is to kuqala kwaba uMajola, then now no-Armindo. And then kuleya footage lesayibona sabona umuntu lona nama-3 locks, and then nyalo sesibona abo-Armindo nabo-Majola bavela sebane-short hair njani, cause sikhumbula thina ngathi la sinzinzamuntu lwenama-threats. Ukuthi bafike njani ku-conclusion la sekuthiwa Armindo noMajola ngibo ama-suspect asat. So kuningi nje lokwenzakalako kule case le, cause ku-footage sibona lo ngala sesibona lo. Some they are saying hayibo this guy uyasukelwa, please uyasukelwa simply because ubuya ngale kaMashele. It does not mean ukuthi nguye lo involved, but uthi khulumele yena nje nawazi hayi mina vele I was paid 7K to take life kazibanibani. And ithina ngala sibhizi siyaphikisa ngoba si-expect ukuthi kube ngilomunye. Yes, kungenzeka ukuthi nguye lo bulale uDJ Warras, kungenzeka futhi chances are akusuye. So ngokuqhubeka kwaleli cala lihamba kubonakala khona, mara la uze uGuy wagqoka leya t-shirt so that sizokhona thina ukuconvince-ka ukuthi le shirt skipper lesisibone lapha ku-footage nalesikipha lasigcoke namuhla into leyi-one. Guys, abangadageli itori kuyiwe phambili. If ukuthi vele nguye, umthetho awudlala indima yakhe, but if ukuthi basanzenza emahlathini nje still beating on the bush, awa kumele baphule up their socks baqale ukunzinza lo muntu lo ofunekako, cause angeke namuhla nibopha lo, kusasa nibuya naloya, hayibo batokondla ngibobani lo muntu mase nimvalele. Those taxpayers sekumele bawondle umuntu longaka. Guys, kuningi. That's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ndonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.